What's good, people? In today's video, I want to talk about how the Lumix S5 is still a good camera in 2025. This video is for those maybe you're looking to get your first full-frame camera and you don't care about autofocus and you don't care about 4K 120 frames per second and you don't care about open gate and all the other specs that people talk about on YouTube all the time. If you want a camera, your first full-frame camera or just a full-frame camera to get at a cheap price, it's the Lumix S5. I don't want to waste your time telling you that this camera is the best of the best. I'll be lying to you. But one thing I'll tell you, with the Lumix S5, you are able to make amazing looking images. Some YouTubers, they have kept their S5 or some have switched back to the S5 mainly because of how the Lumix S5 has an organic image to it compared to the S5 IIX, where it's so sharp. Even the S5 II, it's so sharp. So the original S5, it still has a good looking image in 2025. And on top of that, you are able to shoot in B-roll with the Blackmagic Video Assist. So that's another bonus of the Lumix S5. And you're able to use different lenses. Like right now, I'm using a vintage lens, which is a Helios lens. If people are asking me, what sort of lens am I using? The other thing about the Lumix S5 is that you can get it online, even on eBay, at a very, very good price. When they released the Lumix S5D, I made a video telling people that it's really not worth it to get the S5D. Maybe if you want to use the lighter system, then you could get it. But if you're on a budget and you're just looking for a full-frame camera, it's better just to get the S5 because it's very, very good in terms of pricing. There's one that I saw on eBay. It went out for £542, including the kit lens. When you compare it to the S5D, which is just the same camera, it's just the S5D has special hardware for it to work with the LiDAR system. So if you compare the two, it's better to just get the cheaper one. But if you really, really want to get the S5D, you go get it. But it wouldn't make sense to get an S5D for £999 when you can just get a Lumix S5 II for £1,000, a used S5 II. So it doesn't make sense. But anyway, I highly recommend the S5 because it's good price. You can get one at a good price. And if you want me to make more videos about the S5, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have been watching my videos, please subscribe so that I continue to make more videos. One of the other things that I like about the Lumix S5 is that it's just easy to use, especially if you go on holiday. When I went to Namibia, I was thinking whether to take my S5 or to take my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera. In the end, I decided to take the S5 and I made the best decision. If I had taken the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, I wouldn't be able to shoot a lot of content that I shot when I was in Namibia. I wouldn't be able to do client work when I was in Namibia because it would have taken time. Imagine trying to sort out the battery life, charging batteries all the time. With the S5, when I was using it in Namibia, I would charge the battery once and it would last me the whole day because we will be traveling around. If you check my vlog series that I made, my filmmaking journey in Namibia, check the series. We were going up and down in Namibia, taking videos for clients, even taking videos just for ourselves. So if you are looking for a camera to take on holiday with, it's the Lumix S5. Plus, it's portable. Compared to the weird-looking body of the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, it's better you go for the S5. I love the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera because of the image that comes from it. But when it comes for you to use it, it's just like, it's more for if you're a filmmaker, mainly focus on cinematography, which is one thing that I love. But if you're just looking for a hybrid, get the S5. If you want me to make more videos concerning the S5, please let me know in the comment section. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe.